Huawei is working on the new Nova 14 Ultra smartphone. There will be some unique features of the phone that will make it stand out. Huawei Nova 14 Ultra will be high-end phone of the series. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. From the front side, there will be a LTPO OLED touchscreen display with 6.78 inches display screen size that produces a high resolution of 1224 by 2776 pixels and 120 Hz refresh rate. The new Huawei Nova 14 Ultra will be powered by Kirin 5G chipset with a powerful octa-core CPU. There will be 12 GB of RAM and storage will be 3 options: 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. This is a huge amount of data for future use. There will be triple camera system back on the phone. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel ultra wide lens and 50 megapixel telephoto lens. Front camera will be dual camera featuring a 50 megapixel wide angle. There will be under display optical fingerprint scanner. Battery will be big one. This promises long lasting usage. That's all for now and thanks for watching.